All right, Christian Rivera here, Classic Cars of Palm Beach. We're doing a walk around video on this 2021 Genesis GV80. Super nice car. We're gonna do this video to point out any flaws or blemishes whatsoever that we can find, so there's no surprise for our out-of-town buyers. Getting started right away, our front bumper looks real good. A little tiny scuff there, that would probably be buffed out. There goes my glasses. Let's see here. Rest of the bumper looks real good. Headlight looks fantastic. Grille just looks stunning on this car. Second headlight looks real good. Hood looks fantastic. Really no chips to speak of. Front fender looks great. No scratches, dents, or dings. Front wheel looks good. No curb rash. And I'll say that's a practically brand new pair of Michelins on the front. Side of the car, no scratches, dents, or dings, just about all the way down. Rear wheel looks good. No curb rash. And I'll call the Michelins on the back at a little closer to 60%. Rear bumper looks good. Just a little dirty. Tail lights all look real good. Great size trunk area. Cargo shade. Very cool. Passenger side looks real good. Rear wheel looks good. No curb rash. Passenger side, really no scratches, dents, or dings either. Real clean car. Front wheel looks good with no curb rash. Glass is good. No chips, no stars, no bursts, no cracks. Roof. Let's take a look inside. Driver door looks great. Really classy looking interior. Leather looks fantastic. Let's take a look at the back seat. Okay. Take a look at the steering wheel. There is no smoke smell. There is no mold or mildew smell. There's no pet or dander smell either. Dashboard looks great. Headliner all looks fantastic. That double pane panoramic roof is pretty amazing. Let's take a quick look under the hood, and that will pretty much wrap up our video. Super clean, very quiet, no evident oil leaks. There we go.